Today we are going to do the Merit 6000. We're going to use the Harrier CBHQ. Slight difference is the aerial has more coax on it and the aerial is about 6 inches higher. So I think between one and the other it should work out about the same as what we normally do. I can't for the life of me find the Rotel RVC230 we use as the test radio, but this is just as finely calibrated as is the one in the van. We're on channel 30 because it's a crystal controlled 6-channel radio, and here we go. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm ready for your first call with the hand portal.
Roger, I'm in position.
Roger. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy? Yep, I copy you. It's not very good for the size of the radio. Just checking you're on high power. The radio has a high-low power switch on the front panel.
Yeah, it was on -10 dB.
I thought it was a bit lousy for a mile and a half away. Okay, then down to Scratchy Corner, please.
Yeah.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy?
Yep, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Yep, I copy you. It's not very good for the size of the radio. Just checking you're on high power. The radio has a high-low power switch on the front panel.
Yeah, it was on -10 dBs.
I thought it was a bit lousy for a mile and a half away. Okay, then down to Scratchy Corner, please.
Yep, roger that.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie in position, Scratchy Corner.
Roger, got you at Scratchy Corner. Right, we'll let him get out of the car, pull up that enormous telescopic aerial and see whether we can copy him. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy? Okay, well I can hear some speech, but once again I'm not actually going to be able to have a two-way conversation. Hopefully you're walking and seeing where the voice is best. Over to you. Okay, you're better than you were on the 2-watt one yesterday, but not quite good enough for me to be able to converse with you. Over. You see, I heard the okay and that on that, so see you back in the car.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. You copy?
Yep, copy you. I'd say loud and clear, but there's some sort of interference in the background.
Okay, well I can hear some speech, but once again I'm not actually going to be able to have a two-way conversation. Hopefully you're walking and seeing where the voice is best. Over to you.
Yeah, I am receiving you loud and clear. Are you receiving me any better at the corner?
Okay, you're better than you were on the 2-watt one yesterday, but not quite good enough for me to be able to converse with you. Over.
Yeah, roger that, no problem. We'll go back to the car.
Yeah, I heard the okay and that's on that, so see you back in the car.
I'm sure if he picked his spot just that little bit better, and he doesn't need to on these tests, I just think that would have been readable. I think I got 2 words out of 6 there.
Right, I'm back in the car.
Yep, Roger on that. Were you reading me all right?
I was, as you're coming through, there's like another transmission coming through, and there's almost like a bit of SFB in the background, but I don't know, very localised there. It wasn't apparent up at the top of the hill.
Yeah, I did have somebody coming through about S0.5, and I couldn't read what they were saying, but anyway, you were there. I think I was getting 2 words out of 6 over.
Yeah, right. Anyway, I'm on the way to Wilford Road Crossing.
Roger.
And when you're on the Chippie in position, Wilford level crossing layby.
Roger on that. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy? Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy? Just for a test, because I'm hoping you're receiving me, can you flick it to channel, the last channel? You're on channel 5, put it on channel 6. A, B, C, D, I'll be channel F. Over. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on channel F. Do you copy? Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on channel F. Do you copy? Again, I think there's some movement of the meter. Right, that's where the conclusion of the test is, so if you talk back to me on channel 30 from the car, please, over.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy?
Tango 21, yes, receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on the Merit 6000 hand portable. Do you copy?
Tango 21, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Just for a test, because I'm hoping you're receiving me, can you flick it to channel, the last channel? You're on channel 5, put it on channel 6. A, B, C, D, I'll be channel F. Over.
Roger.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on channel F. Do you copy?
Tango 21, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie on channel F. Do you copy?
Yep, Roger, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Again, I think there's some movement to the meter. Right, that's where the conclusion of the test is, so if you talk back to me on channel 30 from the car, please, over.
Tango 21, did you receive the instructions and all that, over?
Yep, they changed it to channel 40. I'm still getting interference on channel 40, so I just think there's a lot of QRM on the band today. So I think a better day would have yielded a better result, but there you go.
Roger, and of course in the future we'll be doing some longer range tests over better terrain. So that's fine. It's done a couple of miles. And what was I going to say? Bear in mind it's a single conversion receiver on that, so you're going to be hearing a lot more stuff than a better quality receiver would ever.
Yeah, well, when I get back and you review my videos, you'll hear all I could hear, which is more than I'm hearing on the mobile set over.
Absolutely, yeah. Okay, well there we are. So yeah, we'd like it to do better, but it's difficult to know what power that's doing. But it was doing, I would have said it's doing at least 2 watts. It's probably doing 3.5. But there you are. Thanks for that. 10-10.
Yeah, for that. 10-10.
So that's the conclusion. It's a metal case set. It's got a long aerial. Should work better than that, but radio traffic on the CB today may stop it doing more than I certainly knew it was there at Wilsford. Certainly got him at Scratchy Corner, 2 words out of 6. I would like to have been able to set the transmitter up better, but the problem was you can't get to the far side of the loading coil. And what we're not going to do is spend a 1 hour dismantling job to try and get the last ounce out of a particular set. At the end of the day, it was a cheap and cheerful radio made by Great. So there you are, the Merit 6000 from 1982. Thanks for watching.